teachers and CSCA member, now you may have a seat. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Bhag Singh for a speech on this auspicious day for our teachers. Student teacher, Bhag Singh.
Most respected principal ma'am and other teachers, my dear classmates, my name is Bhag Singh. I am here with the topic and its title is Pedagogy of Virtue, Unpacking the Qualities of a Good Teacher. Teaching is an art that transcends mere knowledge transmission. It is a sacred trust that shapes mind and souls. A good teacher embodies a constellation of virtues that foster transformative learning environment. This philosophical exploration delves into the essential qualities of teacher which elevates education from mere instructions to a sublime art. Number 1. Teacher as an epistemic exemplar. A good teacher personifies the pursuit of wisdom. He has a deep understanding of his subject matter. His expertise are not only intellectual but also existential, resulting from the reflections and experiences. Number 2. Teacher as a compassionate companion. Empathy is a pedagogical glue that fosters humanity and belonging. A good teacher always navigates the complexities of every child's journey and offering them guidance and support accordingly. Number 3. Teacher as a curious co-learner. A good teacher always acknowledges the limitations of his knowledge, embracing the Socratic maxim, that is, I know that I know nothing. This humility sparks a collaborative environment where teacher and students explore unknown together. Teacher as a facilitator of critical thinking. There is a saying which says, if students start thinking exactly what their teachers think, it means they are brainwashed. A good teacher always encourages critical thinking among his students through dialogical engagement. He encourages them to question, to analyze, to explore new things and to reach new conclusions. Scientific temperament. Scientific temperament refers to rational and logical thinking. An individual is considered to have scientific temper if he employs scientific method of decision making in his everyday life. It is a habit of coming to conclusions and making decisions on the basis of facts, logic and evidences, not having blind beliefs, being superstitious and believing in supernatural powers. A good teacher always possesses scientific temperament and cultivates it among his students. Last but not the least, teacher as a moral exemplar. A good teacher personifies a good moral character. His moral character serves as a beacon, guiding his students in their own ethical development. At last, I would like to end my topic with a quote which says, best teachers are those who show you where to look but don't tell you what to see. I would like to wish you all a happy Teachers' Day, especially our dear teachers who remains the continuous source of strength and inspiration. Thank you so much and have a nice day ahead.
धन्यवाद प्रशिक्षु अध्यापक श्रीमान भाग सिंह जी द्वारा व्यक्त किए गए विचार निश्चय ही हमारे जीवन में पथ प्रदर्शित करेंगे। अब हम प्रशिक्षु अध्यापिका तमन्ना जी को मंच पर बुलाना चाहेंगे कि वे कविता रूप में शिक्षक दिवस पर अपने विचार व्यक्त करें। प्रशिक्षु अध्यापिका तमन्ना।
A teacher is the one who shapes the nation. A teacher is the one who shapes the nation, and teaching profession is the one that teaches all other professions. So on the 136th birth anniversary of Dr. Radhakrishnan, I want to express my gratitude to all the teachers through my few title and ode to the teachers. Thou art the light, revealing paths to future bright, a spark that you ignite, transforms through achievements the fiery might. Thou art the light, revealing path to future bright. A spark that you ignite transforms to achievements of fiery might. Behind every milestone, each achievement in worth, have a first counted shown of these unsung heroes the teachers unfurled. Behind the making of every famous legend, with the teachers guiding at every bend, you instill confidence in subjects. You instill confidence in subjects. Problems rectify us now in a new direct. Someone truly said, a doctor fixes heart, and a teacher reaches out to the heart. Life without a teacher is a journey through God. All innovations and progress come to your heart. Can't reciprocate enough, no matter how much I thank you for setting me right whenever I make a big history. But the best question of all of college days, sitting in class, is what Mary's syllabus was taught in class for what, but the software of skill and knowledge for life must be installed. Thank you.
धन्यवाद प्रशिक्षु अध्यापिका तमन्ना। आदरणीय गणमान्य जन, अब समय आ गया है एक ऐसे व्यक्तित्व से मिलने का, सुविचारों के धनी। हम बहुत खुशनसीब हैं कि इस महाविद्यालय की प्राचार्य महोदया हमारे बीच में है। अब हम महाविद्यालय की प्राचार्य जी को हमारा पथ प्रदर्शन करने के लिए मंच पर आमंत्रित करते हैं।